My name is Stephen Robinson, I'm a landscape contractor. The features on this DEWALT trimmer are it's got a high and low setting, it's got a very easy adjustable cord length. Your wire is housed in the centre point here, and you will simply just tap this onto the floor and use as you're using it, and it will lengthen these wires. Handles, got this handle here, very comfortable and soft, and that's good for the arm there. And it's got a support rest there for your arm. And obviously you've got your battery pack here. It's very easy to take off and then very easy to put back on. I don't see a massive amount of improvement. I think the main thing for me on using it so far has been the lack of strap. So if you are doing a long time of streaming, it can become a little bit weight bearing on your left arm. But as far as the whole unit, it's very light. And I certainly have used ones that are a lot heavier. The batteries potentially could maybe last longer, but your run time on this is just about enough time to be charging another battery. So the swap over could be done, and if you've got one already charged, you're good to go straight away. Performance-wise, it's good. It's a lot quieter than models that you would use usually with petrol. You're not having a piercing sound all day long. And also it's good for when you're working on sites or in any development or residential areas. It does keep the noise down. It's perfect for what I've been using it for, which is just trimming some lawn, for edges, beds and some brambles. I think if you go into sort of thicker rough, it may struggle, but you would struggle with any tool, be it petrol or battery, with using a wire brush like that. For me, I would certainly be something I would want to use on a landscaping project because it is so efficient, quick and easy to use. It's out the van, off it comes, in it goes, on I go, and the job done. There's no petrol, there's nothing to mix up, get the petrol in, spill it everywhere. You just get the job done straight away.